Going to legal aid, this will be good. Another obstruction, you watch.
How are you?
Shit.
Oh. How can we help?
Well, I've been informed that your office has been instructed to not help me.
Okay. Who were you informed that by?
My people who are aligning with me via my whistleblowing website.
Okay. Are you talking about Woolongong Legal or was this legal aid?
Yes, Wollongong Legal.
Woolongong Legal. What was your name?
Baron.
Sorry?
Baron?
Karen.
Yep.
Just one moment. Sorry, we don't have anything under that name in our system at all. Are you sure it's not Wollongong Legal Aid you're after?
What I would like is a lawyer as my right as a disabled person under the UN Human Rights Charter. I've never had one.
Yeah.
I've been obstructed my whole life.
Okay.
And I'm at imminent risk of murder and vigilante violence and of being murdered with neglect and conspiracy to pervert justice.
Yeah.
I want your assistance with seeking asylum overseas, outside of Australia, because Australia's proven to have committed institutional murder upon me. I've already died and I was revived and then more aggressively targeted. I'm a person with a disability. I'm an unprotected whistleblower under the PID Act, which is a breach of the constitution of the country. I've been excommunicated and silenced. I can't go to police. I'm obstructed from getting any lawyer whatsoever. There's always an absurd reason someone won't help me, which is what I expect and been informed that you will do for me. And I'm going to die unless I get help.
Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we can't help you here. We focus on property law, so I'm not sure.
Can you look me in the eye with your hand on your heart before God and say that is the real reason why we can't help you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. We don't do that type of law here, but legal aid may be able to help.
I'm banned from legal aid. I'm banned from walking into any one of their offices. I'm obstructed from all legal help. And I've been deceitfully lied to by every fucking cop, every lawyer, every politician and every public official. And I've been character assassinated with all my family and friends and the entire media. There is a black budget to ensure complicity in my silencing. They just don't want to stop me getting money or rights. They want to erase and destroy me. And there was a hit on my life last week by Bill Shorten, the NDIS minister, and I called it out because of my amazing documenting skills. And the only reason they saved my life and caught the assassins was because, not because they were kind, but because they would have had blood on their hands.
Yeah, I'm really sorry we can't help you.
Hi.
Oh, it's a nice, charming smile. We must be delight.
I'm really sorry. I've just been listening from the back there. Unfortunately, we don't do that kind of law. So she's not lying when she says that. Okay. I wish that we could help. It sounds like you really need some help.
You think so?
Yeah. But unfortunately, it's not something that we can help you with.
Can I just have your name?
I'm Ash.
Ash who?
I don't think I need to give you my full name.
Well, I'm just wondering, I just not want to know who everyone is.
Yeah, well, my name's Ash. I mean,
From
it's nice
Wollongong
to meet
Legal.
you. Yeah.
If I leave here, I have no home,
Yep.
no food, no medicine, no healthcare, no legal aid, and vigilante violence is after me.
Yeah.
Police have intercepted my phone and they're following me. They're allowing the vigilantes to murder me and they're complicit in that. So I'm in a real tough spot, you know?
Yeah, I can understand.
No, you actually can't understand.
It sounds terrible. It really does. But unfortunately, it's just not something that we can help you with. We focus on property law.
I've been instructed by someone aligning with me on my whistleblower website that any legal office I would go to, they would instantly find an absurd reason to obstruct or block my help despite the UN Charter of Human Rights of Disabled People, which says I must be provided a lawyer and a pathway to justice, and you would be informed just before I got here, because they follow and intercept me, that you can...
That has not happened, and we're not a part of anything, okay? We had no idea you were coming, and we're just trying to give you what we can do, which...
You're just trying to get rid of me in the most efficient way possible to wash your hands of the situation.
I can't help you with the situation, unfortunately. It sounds terrible, but there is nothing that we can do for you, unfortunately. Okay?
If I was to walk out there and be murdered, would you still send me out there?
I can't help you. I mean, unless you go to the police, there's nothing that I can do.
I've already told you that the police are in on it.
I don't know what else to do, to be honest.
You're a lawyer.
I'm a conveyancer, actually. I work on property.
Now we've got the big wigs.
That's it.
I'm just trying to get some help, mate.
I understand. We can't help. You have to leave. I'm so sorry. Like we've already explained, we don't do that sort of work. You're upsetting and you're scaring the staff. I need to ask you to leave, please.
If I had a conveyancing or property issue, would you help me?
Yeah, we would. We would. If you're selling and buying a property, it's no trouble at all. But you're asking about a different matter that we don't handle. So we just deal with property matters here. You're upsetting the girls.
I'm upsetting them, but they're committing me to be murdered just as I step out the door.
No one's committing me to be murdered.
I can prove to you...
Would you like us to call the police if you're concerned about your safety?
The police are the ones who were complicit in the murder and who have just chased me out of Sydney.
Yeah.
They follow and intercept me on my phone, and they've got a marker on my phone, and they've character assassinated me with impunity. So I can't go to police, and I can't go to IBAC or ICAC or the National Anti-Corruption Commission or the Ombudsman.
Yeah. We can't help. I'm so sorry. We just can't help. I know you're in a tough spot, but we can't help. We can't be staying here.
Oh, I just want to let you know,
Yeah.
I'm a human being, you
I
know?
know you are. I know.
And you know what?
Yeah.
History will see who aligned with me, you know?
I understand.
The world will know, you know, if I walk out there and die, I publish everyone I go and see, you know? And the world will know who stood by me and acknowledged me as a human being and who used absurd amounts of hypocrisy and bureaucratic nonsense to delegitimise me, you know?
We acknowledge you as human, we acknowledge you're a person, we respect you. It's just that we can't do what...
Can you look me in the eye and with your hand on your heart before God and say you respect me?
Yeah, we do, absolutely. You know, we
And that's the deceit of lawyers. I'm sorry you couldn't help me. I feel pity for how brave you are. Come on, Crystal. Come on.